The reason why Lansdowne Place would be so unique within the Irish property market has got largely to do with address. When we consider most international capital cities, London, Paris, New York, each is synonymous with a location within that city. When one considers Dublin, it would be Ballsbridge would be synonymous with this premier address and the idea of a premier address within the capital city. And what we have is the opportunity to develop a premier high-end residential scheme to remake Lansdowne Road as a residential avenue. The shared vision for the design team has been about setting a new standard for residential development in Ireland. In terms of the construction, what we've tried to do is again establish a new standard. How we build, it's a crafted building, so we've looked at the materials, the best materials will go into this. The new residential scheme at Lansdowne Place is very much of Ballsbridge. It will have very similar types of buildings and materials, such as the Victorian terraces and Victorian villas along Lansdowne Road and Pembroke Road. We did an awful lot of study work in terms of the right type of brick, the right type of jointing, the right type of materials and colours, so that what we wanted to do was create a residential scheme which blended in to its setting and respected the particular character of, be it Lansdowne Road or Pembroke Road. The idea is about building a community, so it's to provide something at the heart of Lansdowne Place which will allow people to meet, come together, to effectively generate this new community. The amenity facility is intended for everybody. People can have their family parties, birthday parties, you can have visitors, you can have small functions. So the idea is to make it as inclusive and as open as possible. I suppose the overriding aspiration that we have for the scheme and ambition for the scheme has been all about quality. It's that once you come in the gate, whether it's into a landscape garden or into a courtyard, you're immediately aware of the idea of quality and what quality is. It's about the materials you walk across, the quality of the landscaping. You come to a front door which is either a small townhouse front door or a shared hallway, and again it's simply by touching a handle you have the idea of quality. As an architect, I certainly feel that this has been a very positive collaboration with Bernard as the landscape architect and with Martin as the interior architect, that we've each essentially benefited from each other's experiences and we've each contributed to the others.